Hello everybody, and welcome to the first episode of Chef on a Boat, where I'll show you how to create large flavors in small spaces. Today I want to give you a quick tour of my sailboat Sedna. Sedna is the name of an Inuit sea goddess, and I chose that name for the boat both to reflect my Canadian roots, and also because in Inuit mythology, Sedna was a protector of sea mammals. This is my kitchen, which is actually called a galley on a sailboat. For some people, it may seem small, but it is actually larger than many apartment kitchens in New York City, and it has everything I need to turn out delicious meals for myself and guests. Probably one of the most important items in any kitchen or galley is a stove. Now on a sailboat, the stove is a little unique in that it is gimbaled. This is very important, as when you're sailing or underway, the boat can be moving from side to side or simply be heeling or leaning over, sometimes at a 20-degree angle or more. By having a stove that is gimbaled, it remains flat while the boat moves around. The fridge is probably the second most important item in my galley, as without fresh food, I couldn't turn out all those delicious dishes that people enjoy so much. The size of this fridge is probably reminiscent of the fridge you may have had in your college dorm room. I actually had a similar sized fridge when I lived in Switzerland, and that was considered normal. And yes, that is me with a mustache. It was a custom when I lived there for people to do their shopping every few days, so large fridges really weren't needed. We would simply buy fresh produce and meats or seafood on our way home after work and cook it that night or the next evening. I really like that concept, as having the freshest ingredients really makes a difference in the quality of the dishes. I hope to show you over the coming episodes how you too can create great dishes to impress your family and friends, regardless of the size of your kitchen or galley. Until next time, bon appetit!